am visualizing right now is already mine. I see it, I feel it, and I know it's real. Everything I'm imagining is coming true at this very moment. My desires are manifesting exactly as I'm picturing them. What I'm visualizing is happening effortlessly right now. The reality I see in my mind is becoming my truth. As I focus on my vision, the universe delivers it instantly. My visualization holds the power to create my dream reality. I can feel the excitement of my dream coming true now. Everything I'm envisioning is already a part of my life. The universe is aligning perfectly with what I'm imagining. My current visualization is unfolding into reality effortlessly. What I see in my mind is manifesting in front of me. I fully believe in the power of my thoughts to create miracles. The clearer I see it, the faster it becomes my reality. My desires are drawn to me as I focus on them. I am living the vision I'm holding in my mind right now. My visualization is so powerful, it creates instant miracles. What I imagine in my mind is already happening for me. I feel immense gratitude for my vision coming true right now. Every detail I picture is manifesting into my reality perfectly. My dreams are no longer dreams, they are my current reality. I am surrounded by the reality I've just visualized. My visualization is a direct command to the universe, and it's responding instantly. The images in my mind are turning into my truth with ease. What I see in my imagination is now my lived experience. I fully trust that what I'm visualizing is already done. My thoughts and focus are making my vision real in this moment. As I visualize, the universe delivers exactly what I desire. Are manifesting exactly as I'm picturing them. What I'm visualizing is happening effortlessly right now. The reality I see in my mind is becoming my truth. As I focus on my vision, the universe delivers it instantly. My visualization holds the power to create my dream reality. I can feel the excitement